Hello everyone, welcome to this Mindset series. This is a review of the customer 1024. This is the iPad Pro 10.5 inch, model A1709. So customer sent us the iPad not able to charge and not able to turn it on. The moment we unplug the lightning cable and the laptop went off, shut down, and it restarts and show on the logo, Apple logo, and restart over time. So after we run some tests, we replaced the new battery and the problem remained the same. So we found that there's a shorted component on the mainboard as well. So and here we are, we replaced the shorted components and it's now able to turn on and charging fine. So if you have the iPad and you have this problem, feel free to contact us at this Mind. You can send it to us to fix the problem. Gonna stop now. See you next video. Bye bye.